Hi, my name is Tyler. I am a rising freshman at collegiate school in New York City. And so, as the second milestone for my project, I had the servo mechanism that moves the pen up and down, so that the robot can pick up the pen, move to a different area, and start drawing in the different area. And so, as I was making this, there was a lot of thinking that went into this, because I was originally planning on creating a large 3D printing file in Fusion, but that would have been very, very time consuming, as it required the use of a very intricate 3D printed part that would attach the servo arm to the pen cartridge here. It required it to have the joint to be pivoting freely, and also it to be able to move back and forth on the servo arm, so that it could transform the rotational motion of the servo into linear motion on the pen cartridge. So I was planning on doing this, but then I realized, again, it was very time consuming and inefficient. So I decided to just focus on trying to attach the pen first off. But fortunately, I realized as I was creating this pen attachment device that there was a really easy way to accomplish this free pivoting and motion on the joint. I could have just used fishing wire, because it allows for it to pivot freely while also some flexibility in the movement. So once I realized that, it was really simple just to poke 2 holes in the ink cartridge and tie fishing wire around it, and then glue the servo on. And so that's actually why I really like this mechanism, this part of the project, because it's really, really simple, which causes it to be really, really consistent. It works every single time, and it works without a hiccup at all, because it's literally just a servo moving an ink cartridge tied to it with fishing wire. So then this simplicity causes it to be very effective and very consistent, which is always good in engineering. So here's a demonstration of this attachment working. So plug it in, and the code, it just has to go back and forth.